In the crisp autumn of 1953, a single sound would change everything for the apple growers of Hood River, Oregon. The frost came early that year, and it threatened to destroy thousands of acres of fruit almost overnight. Farmers had only a few short weeks to save their harvest or lose everything they had worked for all season long. George Bennett, a longtime orchard owner, stood at his gate one cold morning and remembered an old tradition from the early settlers. He reached for a large brass bell mounted beside the entrance, took a deep breath, and rang it hard. The clear, resonant tone carried across the valley, echoing from one orchard to the next. It was a simple call, but in that urgent moment, it carried real weight. Would anyone answer? At first, only a few neighbors appeared. Then more came. Families arrived with their children, students left their books behind. Even local shopkeepers and church groups joined in. Wooden ladders soon lined every row of trees. Workers carefully filled heavy canvas picking bags, their hands moving quickly against the coming frost. Tractors and vintage pickup trucks rumbled along the dirt paths, hauling overflowing crates toward the packing houses. Children sorted fruit by size and quality under the watchful eyes of their parents. The days blurred together in a race against time. Each sunrise, George Bennett rang the orchard bell again, its steady tone cutting through the morning mist. The community answered without fail. They worked from dawn until sunset, shoulders aching, fingers cold, but spirits high. The frost drew closer every night. Some mornings the ground sparkled with its warning. Still, they kept going. No one wanted to see the year's labor ruined, not when neighbors stood together. For nearly 3 weeks, the valley pulsed with determined effort. Laughter mixed with the steady rhythm of picking. Shared meals gave strength when energy ran low. The threat of total loss hung over them all, yet something stronger held them firm. A shared belief that working side by side, they could beat the odds. In the end, they succeeded. Almost the entire crop was saved. Fresh apples, pears, and cherries reached schools, grocery stores, hospitals, and military bases across the Pacific Northwest. The harvest fed many families far beyond the valley. But the real gift was something deeper. It showed what a community could achieve when it answered the call. For years afterward, the ringing of the orchard bell became an annual tradition in Hood River. Every harvest season, that brass bell sounded once more at sunrise, reminding everyone that one bell could bring one community together. In a world that often pulls people apart, the story of 1953 still echoes, a powerful reminder that cooperation can overcome even the hardest frost. Thank you for watching the story of the Orchard Bell, 1953 Hood River Harvest. If this tale of unity touched you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Drop a comment below. Have you ever seen a community come together like this? Let us know. Until next time, keep listening for the bells that call us to stand together.